we make the chocolate almond sponge. In a bowl, combine 175 g almond powder and 30 g plain flour and combine them well. Next, we make a meringue with 170 g of egg whites and 120 g of custard sugar and let it whip at medium speed for about 10 minutes to get that fluffy meringue. Fold in your meringue 110 g of melted dark chocolate followed by the almond mix added in 2 times. Spread the chocolate sponge in a 30 by 40 cm tray. Now cover with baking paper in contact and bake for about 12 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. When baked and cool, cut into 4 equal parts and set on the side for later use. For the raspberry and rose syrup, in a pot add 150 g water, 10 g rose water, 50 g sugar and 60 g fresh raspberries. Now let it boil for about 2 minutes. While hot, strain in a fine metal sieve. Just a quick taste. Next on the list is raspberry buttercream. Combine 60 g of fresh raspberry with 50 g of water and microwave it or heat it. After that, pass through the metal sieve over 100 g of icing sugar sifted and whisk to combine in a smooth paste. Add 230 g unsalted soft butter at room temperature and whip to a light texture. Combine with the raspberry mix and continue to whip. Now the last thing, honey smoked ganache. Measure 60 g of honey and caramelize it to get an amber color. To add smoked honey to the chocolate, it contributes to an amazing chocolatey smoke flavor that is going to complement very well with raspberry and rose. Add 145 g heavy cream and bring to boil. Now pour over 140 g dark chocolate and mix to get that silky texture. After that, add 55 g unsalted butter and combine very well. Start the chocolate sponge with the raspberry rose syrup, followed by raspberry buttercream and chocolate honey ganache. Before the glazing, set the cake in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Lastly, I have warmed up the leftover chocolate ganache. Garnish with sugar flour. You can find the tutorial on my channel on how to make and use sugar gum paste.
Mmm.